Owabe engumengameli wezwe uThabo Mbeki uthi iANC kufanele ingaphinde ivumele ukuthi kube nokugwamandwa kwamandla ombuso kuleli njengoba lokhu kwenzeke ngaphansi kweso layo. UMbeki uphinde waphawula nangesigameko sokwebiwa kwemali epulazini likaMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa. Wathi abezomthetho kufanele bavunyelwe ukuba benze umsebenzi wabo njengoba ke izwe lisenembuzo ngalesi sigameko.
President Ramaphosa has said let's allow the law to take its course, and I sympathize with him. So that indeed I hope that the scope, the Hawks, now as they say they are investigating and all that, will move on the matter speedily, because I'm quite certain from what I can see, the country is asking for many explanations about many things, and I'm quite sure that legal process will help us to provide these answers. And that's why I'm saying that I really do sympathize with the position he took to say that let the truth come out via this particular route through these credible institutions of state. I know for a fact that many people are posing questions, and really I'm hoping that the Hawks, as I was saying, would move with some speed to make sure that those sorts of questions are answered.